It's no secret. Most people are just not effective at the dealership. They don't project, forecast, plan, or organize. They basically show up, allowing the day to lead them wherever it goes. Most dealerships operate in mediocrity. The average dealership sells less than 100 cars, and the average salesperson sells 9.6 cars. But not because they choose to be, but because they don't know how to be truly effective. But most people in the automotive industry don't know that there is something called the time matrix, which allows us the ability to identify and differentiate the urgent task from the important task by categorizing them into the 4 quadrants, quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. By attending my workshop session, More Time Equals More Profits, you will learn the most powerful strategies for proper time management and organization to be more effective in any position within the dealership. I will show you monthly planning and how to use it strategically for projecting and forecasting. I will show you the weekly planning philosophy and strategy which Dr. Covey from the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People says is the most powerful form of planning. And lastly, I will show you how to use daily planning as a basis for accountability. You will walk away with a step-by-step roadmap on how to create the most effective time management plan, not just for you, but for any position within the dealership. By attending my workshop, you will be more effective at your organization. You will be able to do more, be more, and achieve more.